Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your waste management a breeze, the iTouchless rolling 13-gallon automatic sensor trash can. We found this impressive product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. The iTouchless rolling trash can is not just any ordinary garbage bin, it's an innovative kitchen companion designed for convenience and hygiene. This 13-gallon sensor trash can features an automatic touchless lid that opens with just a wave of your hand, making it an ideal choice for busy kitchens, home offices, or even garages. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, this trash can is completely touchless, ensuring a hygienic way to dispose of your waste without needing to touch the lid. This is especially beneficial when your hands are full or messy, which is often the case in a busy kitchen. Alongside its automatic operation, the trash can also includes an Absorbex odor filter that neutralizes unpleasant smells, keeping your home smelling fresh. You'll even receive a free text message reminder when it's time to replace the filter. How convenient is that? Another great feature is its mobility. With 4 removable wheels, this trash can is designed to be completely mobile. You can easily roll it from your kitchen to the dining room, or even out to the backyard for a barbecue or pool party. Plus, it has a locking feature on the wheels, ensuring it stays put when you need it to. One of the elements that stands out is its sleek, modern design. Made from rust-resistant, fingerprint-proof stainless steel, it's not only easy to clean but also adds a touch of style to any room. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth, and it will look as good as new. Its dimensions are perfect for fitting into various spaces at 12.7 inches in length, 10.8 inches in width, and 28.8 inches in height. It's tall enough to handle your waste without taking up too much floor space. Now, who is this trash can suitable for? The iTouchless rolling trash can is perfect for families, professionals, or anyone who values convenience and cleanliness in their living space. If you often find yourself hosting guests or spending time outdoors, this trash can is a fantastic addition to your setup. It can effectively handle waste from parties, barbecues, or even everyday family meals. In practical use cases, imagine the ease of rolling this touchless trash can to your outdoor space during a gathering. You won't have to worry about guests touching a dirty lid, and you can keep the area clean as people discard their waste. It's also great for your kitchen, where the automatic sensor helps maintain a hygienic environment, reducing the spread of germs. To power this innovative trash can, you have versatile options. It can run on 4D-size batteries, or you can opt for an AC adapter for continuous power, ensuring it's always ready for use. In summary, the iTouchless rolling 13-gallon automatic sensor trash can is a practical, stylish, and hygienic solution for managing waste in your home. With its touchless operation, odor control features, and easy mobility, it stands out as a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their daily cleanup routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe,